Electric vehicles might dominate the headlines, but there's a quiet revolution happening in American driveways. While EVs battle charging anxiety and high costs, hybrids are silently winning over the smart drivers. They're fuel efficient, time-tested, and most importantly, dependable. If you're looking for a car that doesn't need a charging station in your garage and still saves you money at the pump, stick around. In this video, we're counting down the top 7 hybrid cars in 2025 that could outlive the EV hype. Let's be honest. EVs are exciting on paper, but out here in the real world, charging networks are unreliable, battery degradation is real, and price tags are often out of reach. Enter the hybrid. These cars offer a perfect balance. Gasoline for range, electric power for savings. No plugging in, no waiting. Just get in and go. And with advancements in hybrid tech, they're faster, more stylish, and more fun to drive than ever before. Let's kick this off with a name that rewrote the rules of driving, the Toyota Prius. And guess what? In 2025, it's not just whispering about fuel economy anymore, it's screaming evolution. Forget the old eco-box image. This new Prius is a head-turner. It's sleek, sculpted, and yes, even sporty. Toyota's designers clearly threw out the playbook because this thing looks like it belongs in a sci-fi film, not just a grocery store parking lot. But here's where it gets wild. 23 kilometers per liter. That's right. While others are busy plugging in and hunting for chargers, the Prius is gliding past gas stations like they don't exist. No range anxiety, no battery panic, just smooth, consistent efficiency every single day. And don't forget the Toyota badge, a symbol of reliability that's basically bulletproof. Whether you're a city commuter, an Uber driver, or someone who just wants their car to work without drama, the Prius is the gold standard. In a world of hype and gimmicks, the Prius stays real, practical, proven, and now, cool. If you're looking for the smartest hybrid on the road in 2025, look no further. The Prius didn't just survive the hybrid game, it defined it. Coming in at number 6, the Honda Accord Hybrid. This isn't just a smart choice, it's a stylish, silky smooth, mile-crushing machine that combines brains, beauty, and brilliance in one sleek mid-size package. Let's talk numbers. 44 miles per gallon. That's jaw-dropping fuel efficiency for a car that looks and drives like a luxury sedan. You get the space, the comfort, and the smooth ride of something twice its price, without giving up an ounce of practicality. The moment you sit inside, it doesn't scream, eco-car. It whispers refined, intelligent, effortless. And with Honda Sensing, their suite of advanced safety features, you've got radar, cameras, and sensors working around the clock to protect you and your passengers. It's like having a co-pilot who never blinks. But the real magic? It doesn't feel like a hybrid. There are no awkward transitions, no sluggish performance, no compromises. The refined powertrain glides, whether you're navigating rush hour traffic or cruising down an open highway. The Honda Accord Hybrid is for the driver who wants it all. Efficiency without sacrifice, tech without the learning curve, and style without the sticker shock. If you think hybrids are boring, this car is your wake-up call. Rolling in at number 5 is a straight-up blockbuster, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. This isn't just America's favorite hybrid SUV. It's the go-to ride for families, adventurers, and anyone who refuses to compromise. Why is everyone obsessed with this thing? Let's start with all-wheel drive, standard. Rain, snow, gravel, or pavement, the RAV4 Hybrid grips the road like a champ. Add to that massive cargo space, and you've got a vehicle that's just as happy hauling bulk paper towels from Costco as it is loading up for a weekend camping trip. And here's where it crushes expectations, over 40 miles per gallon. That's right, this rugged, capable SUV delivers the kind of fuel efficiency you'd expect from a compact car. While others are still guzzling gas, the RAV4 Hybrid is out there, stretching every drop. and still leaving the competition in the dust. But it's not just about practicality. Look at it. The design is bold, athletic, and confident. It doesn't just blend in, it stands out. And inside, you're surrounded by comfort, tech, and Toyota's rock-solid reputation for reliability. Bottom line, the RAV4 Hybrid is the Swiss Army knife of hybrid SUVs. It's smart, efficient, tough, and versatile. If your life demands flexibility and your wallet demands efficiency, this is the SUV that can do it all without breaking a sweat. Coming in hot at number 4 is a total curveball, the Ford Maverick Hybrid. Yep, a pickup truck just made the hybrid hit list, and it's not just here for show. The Maverick is a compact rebel with a big attitude, and it's shaking up everything you thought you knew about trucks. This isn't some gas-guzzling monster. It starts under $25,000 and gives you a jaw-dropping 37 miles per gallon. That's not a typo. It's real-world fuel economy in a vehicle that still hauls lumber, bikes, gear, and weekend project dreams. Whether you're parallel parking downtown or tossing mulch bags into the bed, the Maverick makes it easy and fun. But here's the magic. It doesn't feel stripped down. It's packed with clever storage, smart tech, and a surprisingly refined drive. You're getting pickup power with city smarts, all in a size that fits in your garage and your budget. And let's be honest, not everyone needs a monster truck. The Maverick Hybrid is for the practical American who wants the freedom of a truck without the pain at the pump. It's for DIYers, weekend warriors, and commuters who refuse to settle. So, if you've been waiting for a truck that's affordable, fuel-efficient, and makes sense, the Ford Maverick Hybrid just might be your new favorite ride. This thing isn't just a surprise hit. It's a whole new kind of pickup revolution. At number 3, we've got a real showstopper, the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. This one's built for the driver who craves tech, style, and performance, all wrapped in one shockingly efficient package. Let's start with the power. 226 horsepower. That's right, this hybrid moves. It's quick off the line, responsive in traffic, and confidently smooth on the highway. You'll forget you're even driving a hybrid until you check your fuel gauge and realize just how little gas you've used. Now for the fun part, tech lovers. This is your playground. Step inside, and you're greeted with a sleek, fully digital cockpit. High-res screens, seamless connectivity, intuitive controls. It's like a rolling command center. Everything feels futuristic, polished, and built around you. And of course, it's backed by Hyundai's unbeatable 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. That's not just peace of mind. It's a full decade of confidence. But here's the kicker. This isn't some boring eco-box. The Tucson Hybrid is sharp, modern, and head-turning. The design is bold, the lines are aggressive, and it looks just as good pulling up to a downtown restaurant as it does load up for a weekend getaway. So, if you're the kind of driver who wants efficiency without sacrifice, tech without clutter, and power without guilt, look no further. The Hyundai Tucson Hybrid is the perfect storm of brains, brawn, and beauty, and it's ready to take the number. Coming in strong at number 2 is a hybrid that's impossible to ignore, the Kia Sportage Hybrid. This SUV has space, style, and serious swagger, making it one of the most complete packages in the hybrid world today. Let's start with the headline, up to 43 miles per gallon. That's insane for an SUV this bold and this capable. Whether you're commuting, carpooling, or cruising cross-country, the Sportage Hybrid sips fuel while delivering the kind of performance and confidence that turns every drive into an experience. But it's not just about numbers, it's about felt. Step inside the cabin and you'll swear you're sitting in a luxury car. We're talking premium materials, sleek design, and ambient lighting that sets the mood just right. The layout is smart and stylish, with a massive curved display and one of the best infotainment systems in the business. Responsive, intuitive, and straight up gorgeous. And here's the kicker. The Sportage Hybrid doesn't just play the part, it owns it. It's got aggressive styling, a commanding stance, and the kind of modern edge that makes everything else in the parking lot look dated. So, if you're looking for an SUV that delivers efficiency without compromise, comfort without the luxury price tag, and tech that works the way it should, the Kia Sportage Hybrid is your dream ride. It's not just number 2. It's number 1 in the hearts of drive. And finally, we've reached the top of the list. Number 1, the all-new 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a bold evolution of a legend, and proof that the hybrid game is far from over. In fact, it's just getting started. Let's talk design, because the new Camry Hybrid isn't playing it safe anymore. It's bold, sculpted, and aggressive in all the right ways. This is a sedan that demands attention, from its sharp front end to its sleek, aerodynamic profile. But don't be fooled by the looks. It's not just about style. Under the hood, it delivers up to 22.53 kilometers per liter, making it a fuel efficiency powerhouse with real-world practicality. And when it comes to dependability, come on, it's a Toyota. That badge carries decades of bulletproof reliability. This is a car that shows up every day, mile after mile, year after year. It's not trendy, it's timeless. While EVs are still figuring out charging networks and long-term battery life, the Camry Hybrid is already doing what they promised to do. Efficient, no-fuss driving that fits seamlessly into your life. Inside, it's everything you'd expect from a flagship sedan. Smooth, quiet, packed with tech, and refined in every detail. And here's the clincher, resale value. Few cars hold their worth like the Camry. It's not just a smart buy, it's a smart investment. The 2025 Camry Hybrid isn't just number 1 on this list. It's number 1 where it counts, in garages, on highways, and in the hearts of millions of smart, forward-thinking drivers. This is the hybrid to beat. And right now, so why are hybrids poised to outlive electric vehicles? At least for now. It comes down to simplicity and infrastructure. Hybrids don't need a complete overhaul of our energy grid. They work right now, anywhere, anytime. You get 500+ miles of range, standard fuel access, and less reliance on rare earth battery materials. They're cheaper to buy, easier to maintain, and more predictable in the long run. The EV era is coming, but hybrids are thriving in the meantime. If you want real-world practicality, lower ownership costs, and the peace of mind of proven technology, a hybrid might just be your perfect next car. Which one would you pick? Comment below and let us know. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and buckle up. Because we've got more real-world car reviews and comparisons coming your way.